Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to cut any portion of the video file without using third-party software in Windows 11 computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have one video file here on my desktop screen. So here we are not going to use any third-party software. So here what you need to do is just right mouse click on the respective video file and just select this open with. Now just select this photos option. Now it will start playing under this photo application. Just pause it, and now on the left top corner you will see your trim option. Just click on it. Now you can select the starting point from where you want to start. So let me select here and say I want to select this portion of this video file. So this is the end point and this is the starting point. So once your selection is done, you can see on the above save as copy, or you can directly click on this down arrow icon and you can save and replace the original file also, but I'll highly recommend you to save as a copy and give the file name whichever name you want to give and click on save. So finally we have saved the edited video. Now the second video file is the trim video that we have cut from the original video file. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily cut any portion of the video file without using third-party software in Windows 11 computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.